Hey guys, are you struggling to get deals every single day? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm getting deals every single day, all day long, sent directly to my email inbox. And hit that thumbs up, guys, if you're ready to get deals every single day. What we're going to do is we're going to hop on the phone right now with what I'm teaching you guys all the time is getting set up with automatic email listings. So I'm going to hop on the phone right now with a real estate agent in, let's just say, Indianapolis, Indiana. So literally, guys, right now, all I'm doing is Googling real estate agents inside of Indianapolis.
Your voicemail, press star.
So right now, guys, they're connecting us to a real estate agent. Yeah, so my name's James Holloway, and I was just hoping to get in touch with someone that can set me up with an automatic email listing. Because I'm an out-of-state real estate investor, so I was hoping to get properties that get put on the market every single day.
Yeah, of course. What's the price range you're looking to stay at?
Yeah, so I'm looking to stay around between like 150,000 is my max.
All right.
Yeah, and I'm
Any particular areas you're most interested in, or just Indianapolis?
just Indianapolis, and also I'm looking for like a maximum, well, really a minimum of 3 bed, 4 being the max, and a minimum of 1.5 baths. And I'm trying to stay, a minimum of 1,000 square feet.
Minimum 1,000 square feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. What's the best email address to send the listings to?
Yeah, the email address is the Monopoly Man James, and so it's like the THE Monopoly Man James @gmail.com. Guys, this is I'm on mute right now, but this is how easy this is.
All right.
You literally just call people up.
Was, Paul?
Holloway, HOLLOWAY. Guys, it can literally take 5 minutes.
Yeah, absolutely. Be more than happy to get you set up on that right now. I'll get this over to one of our agents from the floor here, and we'll start sending you over new listings that pop up over to you.
Awesome, perfect. And just to make sure, because I know there's sometimes, they'll send me deals, they'll send me properties like once a day at the end of the day. I was wanting to make sure that I'm getting them as soon as a property hits the market, right?
Yeah, of course. I'll let them know. I mean, it'll be, I'll let them know to keep priority on it. That way, as soon as they see it, they'll send it right over to you.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye. So that's literally how easy it is to get deals on autopilot. You can just call up any real estate agent inside of the market that you're wanting to invest in, and it takes less than 5 minutes. I think that took me maybe less than 3 minutes to set that up. And so property is going to be coming in my email inbox in about probably an hour. That's how long it's probably going to take to set up that automatic email listing. But in an hour, every single property that hits the market, you're going to be the first one to know that property hit the market. And as soon as you get that email, you have to run the numbers almost immediately. And I'm going to be making a series on this. So on Monday next week, I'm going to be making a video about, how to analyze these properties as soon as they hit your email inbox. And we're going to be taking a look at some properties that hit my inbox from this phone call that we just did. In the description down below, there's going to be a 7-step free guide. And this is what this series is going to be made of. I'm going to be going deep into detail what this 7-step guide is, but you're going to have this guide with you because when this series is over, yeah, you can go back and watch these YouTube videos. That's perfectly fine with me. But you're also going to have the 7-step guide. You can just go back and be like, oh yeah, this is the next part of the process. So download that guide. And again, it's in the description down below. So please go download that guide and you can follow along with this series and what to do next in the process. I hope this provides so much value for you guys because it's literally super easy. I know I preach this all the time, getting set up with automatic email listings, but it's so easy. And you want to get on these email listings because you want to be the first one when a property hits the market. Good deals happen every single day, but they're literally gone the next because people have done what I am literally teaching you. They get set up with automatic email listings. They make offers within 24 hours and they get accepted. That's how fast this stuff goes. So you want to be the first person to get these listings and then make an offer. If you haven't subscribed already to this YouTube channel, please do that. So it helps us reach a much bigger audience. That way we can help make a dent inside the educational system by implementing financial education, because let's face it, we have not been taught that. In high school and in college, we were never taught financial literacy, financial education. We never were taught investing in stocks, investing in real estate, what credit is, how to properly use credit cards. So that's what I'm doing here on this YouTube channel. We're starting this movement to impact the school system by creating financial education inside the core curriculum. So if you want to be part of that movement, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell notification whenever you do subscribe. But until the next part of the series, I'm going to be popping up a video up over here, or it's going to be over here. It's going to be talking about how to invest $5,000 inside of real estate. And you can easily do that. But you really don't need any money. You need $0 to invest in real estate. It's just whenever you have $5,000, it's a little bit easier to do. So just go check out that video, guys. Until the next video, a part of this series, I'm out. See ya.